Hello, my students grade 9 of SMP Bina Desa. Welcome back to English class. Okay, before we start our lesson today, I want to show you what are indikator kompetensi and tujuan pembelajaran. Okay, my students, have you ever made a cake, mango juice, or maybe fried rice? Can you tell me how to do it? Of course, there are some steps that we have to do, right? That's why today we are going to learn about recipe. What is a recipe? Definition. Recipe is a part of procedure text. It is a list of ingredients and a set of instructions that tell you how to cook something. Social function of recipe. It is used to describe how something is made in sequence steps. Generic structure of recipe. The first one, goal or aim. This part contains the purpose, how to make something. The second one is ingredients. This part describes the elements that we need to make something. And the last one is steps or methods. This part describes the set of instructions. Okay, let we see the language feature of procedure text recipe. The first one is using adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction. For example, first, second, third, the last. Next, using command or imperative sentence. For example, put the noodles on the pan, cut the onion, wash the tomatoes, and so on. And then, using adverbials or adverbs to express detail of the time, place, manner accurate. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, and so on. Next, using action verbs. For example, make, take, boil, cook. And the last one is using simple present tense. Now, let's see the example of recipe. Okay, let's identify this text. What are generic structure of this text? Okay, the first one is goal, and then tools or ingredients, and the last one is steps. The goal of the text is how to make mango juice, and then the ingredients of the text is a knife, a juicer, a glass, a pieces of mango, a half glass of water, a glass of ice cube, and then a spoon of sugar. And the last one is steps. The steps are: first, wash the mango and peel it. Next, cut the mango into pieces and put them into the juicer. Then, pour the water, ice, and sugar. After that, turn on the juicer and wait about 15 seconds. And finally, pour the mango juice into the glass and it's ready to drink. Now, let's identify the language feature of the text. The language features of the text are using adverbial sequence that mark in yellow color. First, next, then, after that, finally. And then the sentence that mark blue color is imperative sentence. Then this text is using adverb or adverbials that show time in detail. That is about 15 seconds. Well, students, how to write a procedure text? The first is think about the goal of your procedure text. The second one is write the goal and then write the material, tools, or ingredients. And the last one is write the step of procedure. Well, students, this is a text procedure which are not good arranged. So, please arrange the procedure text in good order and be sequence steps. Well, students, write your answer in the Google Drive. I will share the link in the WhatsApp group after this.